Opioid painkiller addiction can destroy lives. The CDC reports that in 2014, 2 million Americans abused or were dependent on painkillers such as hydrocodone, oxycodone, and methadone.
The most important first step is recognizing that you may have a problem.
Dr. Mike Hooten says the second step is to talk to the doctor who prescribed the medication.
The medication under medical direction can be gradually tapered, and then at the same time, other pain therapies can be introduced if needed. And finally, you need to be referred to the appropriate addiction specialist.
Dr. Hooten says breaking free from opioids is not easy.
Acute opioid withdrawal is a non-lethal withdrawal syndrome. It's very, very uncomfortable, but not necessarily associated with death.
Every day, 78 people die from an opioid overdose. Experts urge anyone who is addicted to get help. It can save your life. For the Mayo Clinic News Network, I'm Vivian Williams.